Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share Facebook memories. So to share a Facebook memory, follow these steps. So open the Facebook app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then in here, scroll down and select memories. You can also search for memories using the search bar. So once you're here, find the memory you want to share. So choose where you want to share it. So for example, let's share this one. So you can share as post or share story. So choose what you prefer. So let's click share as post. Then in here you can add a caption, photos, stickers, or other edits if you'd like. Then tap post at the top right corner. And that's it. If you're on a computer, you can go to Facebook and sign into your account. You can click memories from the left menu or search for memories. Then find the memory you want to share. Then click share and add a message or edit your audience settings. Then click post or share. If you don't see the share button, so the original post privacy settings may prevent resharing, the memory may contain content that isn't eligible to be shared directly. You can always create a new post, upload a screenshot of the memory, or use the share to story option if it's available. And that's it. Thank you for watching.